Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get into mixology. To begin your journey, focus on understanding the core spirits like gin, rum, and whiskey. Familiarize yourself with their unique characteristics and how they interact. Next, learn about essential bar tools such as shakers and jiggers. Mastering basic cocktail families, like the sour or fizz, will build a strong foundation for your mixology skills. Having the right equipment is crucial. You'll need a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, a strainer, and a long bar spoon. Practice fundamental techniques like vigorously shaking drinks for 15 to 20 seconds to chill them properly. Learn to stir spirit-forward cocktails for 30 seconds and muddle fresh ingredients gently to extract their flavors. Precision in measuring is key for consistent, delicious results. Start by mastering 5 to 10 classic cocktail recipes, such as an old-fashioned or a margarita. Understand the balance of sweet, sour, and strong elements in each. Don't be afraid to experiment with ingredient ratios, perhaps a 1/4 ounce more lime juice or a dash less simple syrup. Pay attention to presentation, using appropriate glassware and garnishes like an orange peel or a fresh cherry to elevate the experience. To truly elevate your mixology skills, continuously explore new techniques. Experiment with infusions, perhaps infusing spirits with fruits or herbs, or try smoking cocktails for a unique aroma. Develop your palate by tasting and analyzing different spirits and ingredients, understanding their nuances. Finally, challenge yourself to create original recipes, thoughtfully combining flavors to craft your signature drinks. The journey of mixology is one of endless discovery.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.